The launch of the all-new V40 spearheads Volvo's goal to substantially increase sales by the end of the decade. This luxury compact 5-door is key to this success. Volvo's entry into the C segment opens up exciting opportunities to attract a whole new set of customers. The all-new V40 is a car specifically designed around their needs, lifestyle and well-being, featuring the latest in dynamic design and advanced Volvo technology. The C-segment hatchback market is the largest volume-selling segment in the global car industry. Top sellers such as the BMW 1 Series, Audi A3, Mercedes A-Class and the Volkswagen Golf are established players. This segment also forms the backbone of fleet sales. To reach our sales targets, it's crucial to look beyond Volvo's existing customer base and attract new customers to the Volvo brand. It's therefore important for you, our sales consultants, to actively prospect for new customers and bring them to your dealership in order to experience the all-new V40. Let's take a closer look at these target customers. It's expected that 80% of them will be new to Volvo, with a high percentage looking for their first luxury car. A large segment will be drivers of other premium brands looking for a car that expresses their identity with a human feel. This will bring unique sales challenges. You need to reach out to these customers in new ways and learn about them in order to attract them to your showroom. Let's start by looking at some typical customers.